pen up, pen down, and pen color. In this demo, we are going to see the effects of pen up, pen down, and pen color commands. Select a clean block at the beginning. It clears the screen at the beginning of the program. Select forward command and change the pixel number as desired. Take 40 pixels for this demo and add it to the stack. Take pen up block from the pen palette and add it to the start block. Add forward command with desired value. The default value is 100 pixels. Here enter 40 pixels. Go to the pen palette and select pen down command and add it to the stack. Add forward command with a value of 40 pixels. Select the pen up command add it to the stack. Add forward command with a value of 40 pixels. Select pen down command, add it to the stack. Add forward command with a value of 40 pixels. Run the program by clicking on the start block. Here we can observe the lines are drawn while the pen is in drawn position, that is, pen down position. The lines are not drawn while the pen is in up position. We can observe the results clearly by clicking on the snail icon. Now we are going to explore about pen color. Take a new program by clicking on File New. Add forward command with default pixel value 100. Go to the pen palette, select Set Color command, change the value as 30, add it to the start block, add forward command with default value, add right command with default value, add set color command, change the value as 60, add it to the stack, add forward command with default value, add set color command, change the value to 90, add forward command with default value, Run the program by clicking on the Start block. We can observe the changing of pen color according to the values which are given. We can observe stepwise running of the program by clicking on snail icon.